Sneak has released a brand new set called Candy Store. Let's actually have a look at it. We have a brand new shaker. Sneak, so good. With rabbit in a pleasing blue and pink setup. Let's open it. Yeah, pink, blue. Got Sneak around the edge. Pretty standard shaker. Hopefully these decals stay on better than the last decals on the clear one I had. They have 2 new flavours with this set. They have pear drops. Usual standard stuff. Let's actually open them and smell. Ooh, it's a slightly pinky flavour. Colour. Smells similar like pear, kind of, which I'm really not surprised about. And the other flavour we have is Refreshers, which is exactly where the bunny comes from, but it's the opposite way. Okay, let's open this one and smell it as well. It's going to be greenish, isn't it? Oh no! Oh, that literally smells like a Refreshers bar. That smells gorgeous. There you go. Sneak has brought out 2 new flavours and a new shaker. These might be available by the time you see this. I'm kind of already out the loop on uploading this stuff on time. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching this little unboxing. Make sure you smash that like button, share and subscribe, and until next time, joyous viewing.